This is ProbeLem walkthrough of diesel generator number 2 electric actuator failure.
Still jumping.
Here.
Yeah, in the trend.
Now, frequency is always tied to the engine's speed. Always. That's the relationship.
It's fluctuating. Now I want to see here. Input.
If the frequency is unstable, the engine speed is unstable.
Something is wrong with the speed.
Yes, speed.
Same with the multimeter. It's jumping. It will dip and suddenly surge. 58 to 61.
So when we see abnormal speed, abnormal RPM, or unstable true power delivery in kilowatts, we always check the mechanical side first, not the AVR, not the excitation system. The mechanical side, fuel rack, actuator, governor. That's where you start. This is diesel generator number 2, electric actuator failure. And this is how we found it. Let's probe it on.